How to screen mirror Roku from phone guide instructions. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can screen mirror or cast to Roku from phone. First, we want to start with the Roku TV itself to make sure that the settings are set up properly. So you want to head over to Networks, and then on the About section, you want to make sure that you are connected to the same wireless internet router both through the Roku and also your mobile phone. If you are connected directly through an Ethernet, that's fine as well. We just want to make sure that both the devices are connected to the same internet source. Once that is set, next you want to go down to the system and then you want to head over to screen mirroring. There, you want to make sure that in the screen mirroring mode, you have selected the option of prompt. If you select prompt, when a device tries to cast to your TV screen, a prompt on your TV screen will ask you to confirm. All you have to do is click on the option of OK. Now that you have checked the settings on the Roku TV, you want to head over to your mobile device. If you're using an Android device, you want to pull down the status bar and tap Smart View. You may need to swipe to find the option. Select your Roku device from the Smart View menu to start the connection. Follow the instructions of your Roku device to allow screen mirroring. Now, in case you are using iPhone, iPad, or Mac, then Apple devices support AirPlay, which lets you stream, control, and share content from your iOS device to your compatible Roku streaming device. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.